What's up, guys?
Hello guys.
Welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful Sunday evening, around 6:30 or 7 o'clock, but it feels amazing outside. Fall is here. But we got a pretty cool install video for you guys. It's gonna be pretty short, pretty sweet, but pretty cool install video on, you guessed it, Ashton's Jeep. Something we've been needing, our last little outing that we went on, and if you guys haven't seen that already, check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. But we needed some added protection, that's for damn sure. We're definitely eventually gonna have to come underneath and definitely get some full skid action going. But for today's video, we finally got some rock sliders coming for the Jeep. We don't need steps or nothing like that, so we just opted for some sleek rock sliders and everything because we can both get in. We're both pretty agile. Oh yeah, and that's not Ashton's Instagram anymore. What's your Instagram? AllHell_JKU. Check her out. But anyway, I done lost my train of thought. We got some rock sliders we're throwing on this son of a bitch today. Our last outing, we needed some added protection. Looks wise too, just because it's, you guys can see, it's pretty bare bones. It had some factory sport running boards on it, but they were ugly, so we had to do away with those. But here's our rock sliders. There's our model. They're cheapos. Here, do you want to hold that? They're cheapos. They're just Amazon specials, but we wanted to test them out. There's not a whole lot of people out there that actually use them. I'd say just because they're Amazon special. There's a couple reviews saying that they're weak. I mean, they feel pretty durable. I don't know what people really expect out of them. They're rock sliders. They're gonna get beat up regardless. So, but the company is EAG, and here's the part number. It's for 07 to 2018. Ours is 2018. Jeep Wrangler JKU 4-door. There's the part number if you guys want to get it. And it's pretty damn simple. Like I say, they are cheapos, so there's not a whole lot of mounting points. All you're gonna need, if you still have running boards on the Jeep, you're gonna need a 13 millimeter to take those off, and I'd say a 10 millimeter. Don't take my word for it. But we already have the running boards off, so all you're gonna need is a 16 millimeter if you're at the point we are. And see, I'll show you guys real quick. Come underneath here, and there's just 3 body mounting points right here, and you can see it's got 2 bolts or 2 nuts right on the other side of the body mount itself, and those are the 16 millimeters we're going to be utilizing. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're just gonna take them some bitches off. You're gonna slide your rock slider in here. You're gonna cinch them back. Pretty damn simple. So I'm gonna get my tripod out and stuff like that because we're gonna use Ashton today. I'm gonna hold up the rock slider. She's gonna do all the fastening and stuff like that. Let's get to whopping this thing out. Okay guys, so it's a pretty damn simple install like I was saying. Most of the time I would suggest using a ratchet or using a small breaker bar, just so you don't strip anything out or over torque anything, stuff like that. But as you can hear, we're just using the impact. I'm walking around like a damn, you know what. Damn, you are dirty. Look at her back. We paint in here a lot, so damn, it stays dusty. Ashton's she's using the impact, dropping nuts everywhere. That's what she does, you know what I'm saying? Hang on. Good. So, got all of them?
Yep.
So, she just got the 6 16 millimeter nuts. There's 2 right there, 2 right there. She's got 2 up there. Pretty damn simple. Now all we're gonna do is just grab the, let's gotta figure out which one. This one here, that's the driver's side. We're just gonna slide it on there and get it positioned. I'm gonna hold it in place for her. She's gonna get them hand tightened on there, send them home with the impact, and we'll be good to go. So we'll be done with this pretty damn quick. What do you think? I almost caught you. as you guys probably saw, we was having a little bit of trouble getting it fitted up into place. Everything lined up, except for this one hole. And you can see where we were scratching the paint off of it a little bit. But we're just gonna have to take a drill bit. We're gonna waller this hole out a little bit. We might go ahead and waller this one out too, just so we don't have to take it back down if we run into any issues. So I'm gonna grab my drill bit, and we're gonna get to wallering on this bad boy. So we ended up just wallering out one of the holes, and everything lined up perfect. We're good to go now. We got everything finger tight, and let Ashton send it home with the impact. Go ahead and give her some ooga doogas. Big time. Get more. Keep going. Another one on the other one. On the other one. You only did that one. Yeah. You're tight, damn it. Alright, come to this front. You are gonna be dirty. Alright. Putting her to work, guys. I gotta say, these things look killer on here. I can already tell. You ain't hit the middle yet.
That's some dirt in my eyes.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, you're dirty. You have to dust off before you get in there. Good to go, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the other side. I'll probably just end up putting you guys on a time lapse so we can get this thing knocked out. It's pretty damn simple, and I think you guys can probably figure out the other side. So I'm gonna set you guys up on time lapse. Let's get to it. That was about the easiest damn install I've ever done on any vehicle. Anything I've ever worked on. That is about the easiest thing. And so I know, take that with a grain of salt. These are cheapo, so there should be more mounting points and blah, blah, blah. But if anybody's gonna put it to the test, it's gonna be us. So if there's a bad fill point, these things just they're just not up to snuff, we'll let you guys know. That's for damn sure. So we got them all cinched down. Got 2 points here, 2 here, 2 here. There typically should be a couple more mounting points, like right behind here where your existing running boards were mounted. But hell, they seem stout. I mean, you come over here, hell, come here real quick, Ashton. Come here real quick. You can see them. I'm moving the whole damn Jeep. They're not going nowhere. They are pretty damn stout. Take my word for it. Oh yeah. That's on the list too. We got a boo-boo. Oh yeah. Drop some comments in the comment section below if you know any good rear bumpers. They're few and far between. We want a stubby bumper. Definitely the stubby bumper at least, because we're going to be doing the fender delete kit on down the road with the inner fender liners and all that good shit. So, damn, that just fills out the Jeep. I kind of, well, saying bare bones, let me get a better shot. It just fills out the Jeep. It looks damn good. Even with the stock fenders. That's what I was telling Ashton. I am super fond of the stock fenders. She doesn't really like them. She wants to go straight for the fender delete kit. But just the way Jeep designed the whole damn thing, with the stock front bumper, I thought it looked killer. The stock rear bumper. If we wasn't off-roading and this thing was just daily driver, I'd just leave it stock. Throw some wheels on it, level it, leave it completely stock. So we're gonna get to backing this thing out and get you guys some cool shots. As well, lighting's not too good, but get you guys some cool shots, some cool rollers of the Jeep, and we'll end this video off. Alright guys, so that's gonna about wrap up this video. Stay tuned for some content on the 05, hopefully coming later this week. We've got an awesome care package that we have been expecting for about a week now that I don't think you guys are gonna wanna miss out on. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, check it out, at Woodsway_auto. You probably already got the general idea of what's going on, but we're taking the 05 to the next level. It's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to get it done because then I can dive into what's done under the hood. We can start driving this thing. We can start having fun with it, enjoying it like we're supposed to be doing. This thing's been parked since we bought it. We've been rebuilding it since we bought it. Anyway, I'm gonna quit blabbing. We love the rock sliders. I think this weekend we're planning on going wheeling, right? We're either heading down to Cadiz, Kentucky to Turkey Bay or heading back up north to Interlake Off-Road Park in Indiana. So that'd be cool. Watch out for that. Be Saturday or Sunday, something like that. There's another look. Good Lord. Good Lord. They look amazing. They're sleek. I didn't want steps. I'm not a real big fan of steps on the Jeeps. I want to just get all the use I can out of it. And I think these are going to fit the bill. Like I say, we'll let you guys know probably this weekend. We'll put them to the test. But check us out on Instagram, like I was saying, at Woodsway_auto and
allhail_JKU.
And don't forget to
like, comment, and subscribe.
Check it out, guys. Check out Rough Country as well. They supply just about everything on this Jeep. Oh yeah, let us know for bumpers, guys. We are in dire need. She's got a boo-boo. All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.